up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I only vlog when my best friend is in town, and guess who's here? My May. So she has come to visit me in Houston because this is our tradition, because every city I move to she comes to visit. So Austin in 2016, San Antonio in 2017 and 2018, and now Houston in 2019. And so we are getting ready to play Christmas music and put up my Christmas tree. So you guys come and tag along as we figure this out.
I thought you just got one. Hi,
No.
everybody.
I got two. We went to Walmart, and the theme is going to be blue, gold, and white. Something like that. You'll see it as we do it. So let's start this music. Okay, so we have the tree up in the 7 foot. You see how short me and my May are in comparison to the tree. Just one piece of hair. Anyway, so we got the tree up and we're fluffing it out. And now it's time to decorate. So let's do that. And we have music playing in the background to make sure it feels like Christmas. So we have finished for the night. We have some more things that we need to get tomorrow. So as you can see, our color scheme going on. We're gonna get some more of the blue decorations. We're gonna get gold garland to go around. And I need to figure out what type of tree topper I want.
A little more white and some more lights for the bottom.
Oh yeah, and then lights for the bottom. So that's about it. And we're done and getting ready to call it a night. And then we are going to go on an adventure tomorrow. I forgot. We said what we were doing tomorrow, which I think includes like the museum, this color place. We'll get that. And then breakfast.
Oh, you know what? I don't care for shrimp and grits anymore because my seafood craving has been satisfied.
We had really good seafood today.
So
we'll figure it out.
Yep.
Other than that, good night. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It is Saturday. And me and my mate were supposed to get up and do breakfast. That felt miserably. And no, that didn't happen. So now it is 2 o'clock.
We're supposed to leave at 1:30.
Yeah, 30. Yeah. And we're finna go get some Korean barbecue, and then we have some stores to run to. We need to take these bulbs back to Walmart. And we're gonna look around Houston. And then at 7:30, we're going to the Color Factory, which is like this interactive kind of fun thing. So let's go. You ready?
Yep.
All right. So they brought everything out, and you get unlimited side dishes. So you cook your own food, and then you get side dishes. And then there's the meat, and we got chicken and beef, spicy chicken and beef bulgogi. So we're just waiting now for the grill to kind of heat up, and then we can cook and eat.
That's what he said?
Mm-hmm. So we have finished eating. Mame, how did you like it?
It was good.
Mm-hmm. So now we're finna stop at Hobby Lobby and then get some stuff that we need for the tree. We need one more set of lights. If it's not cheaper here, if it's cheap here, we'll get them. If not, I can just go to Walmart. And then what else is needed? We needed more like filler things.
Yeah, more creatures and flower type ornaments to go on the tree.
And then some garland.
Yes.
And I think and
a tree topper.
And a tree topper. So we're gonna do that, then find a Goodwill. And then what time is it? 3 o'clock. So might go down to the museum district. Yeah. Let's see what we see. Or we can go downtown and like walk around and see. But my coworkers have been telling me about how homeless people like break into cars just to try to get it. So you gotta like park.
We're not going down there. Don't worry.
Well, they say to park away from it and then use like the metro system and go into the city to do that. So I'll have to text one of them to figure out like where to go. So we finna stop into Hobby Lobby. Let's do that. So we finally made it to the Color Factory, which is down, I guess we're downtown. I don't know where we're at, but this area is really nice. We went to Target, Hobby Lobby, and got more stuff for the Christmas tree. So now we're finna do this.
And go home and eat spaghetti.
Go home and eat spaghetti.
And finish the Christmas tree.
Yes.
This is a hands-free installation. Feel free to take pictures.
Cool, thank you. So far, so good. Yours? I'm taking pictures.
That is so neat.
All right. Oh, it's the confetti run. I'm so excited.
You like confetti?
Huh?
You like confetti?
I'm sorry. Had so much fun in this confetti room.
Wait,
Oh, I felt one going down my back. This
I'm so sorry.
this is definitely one of our favorites. Like a lot of confetti.
Still there?
No, you're good.
Like feet in there. Bring your popcorn.
The popcorn smell like feet?
Yeah.
Welcome to Color Me, guys. You can color everything except me and the doors.
Okay.
One person, your partner's gonna go to one room and then you're gonna go to the other room. We do encourage for you guys to partner up with a stranger to get the full experience, but you guys are not forced to, so you guys can kind of decide on that one. But yeah, enjoy.
It's the probably another thing.
Locked in there, so if you want to take your token, that's fine. We ask that you don't like jump or step on the ledge, but enter through the side. Other than that, just be safe, have fun. If you guys need any help, we're here for you guys.
Alright, so we need to take our shoes off, right?
Oh, I found it. So we made it to the ball pit, and I am so excited for this. Just internally, the kid in me is happy. It's just balls.
A lot of white balls.
So it was like this space thing, and it was like the ball pit, and you got to jump, get in the ball and take pictures and stuff, and you know you could like get down like an old-fashioned ball pit is all that it was. But the funniest thing from that was this lady was sitting there, and she was talking to like, it was like her husband, and her kids, and she was just like, I haven't been around this many white balls since college, and I was just like, very interesting. It's not something you say out loud. I don't know if she just. This was a workout. Trying to get through these balls. Okay. Whew. It's too much. Ow, my toe. I'm gonna just take a break. Just take a break. Okay. All right, let's go. I can't even lie, those pajamas is dope. And that was the Color Factory.
That was nice.
It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. It was $35, and I personally feel like it was worth it. I would definitely come back with better clothing and like a full face of makeup just for more photo opportunities and like a better camera because I was using my phone.
And it was a really good experience.
Yeah. So I definitely give this like two thumbs up, and I would return. So now we're headed to the house because we have some more decorating to do.
And spaghetti, because
And
I'm starving.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.